Here is my first official plucking tutorial. So I start off by parting a section of hair, and I like to do the pluck skip method. So I pluck a small section, skip a small section, pluck a small section, skip a small section, and then I go back and pluck the sections that I skipped. So I just want to make the darker parts lighter or thinner. So I just keep following that same process. I part off another section, and then I do the pluck skip method. Pluck skip, pluck skip, pluck skip. For me, I like to put my wig in that middle part or side part already if I know that's how I'm going to wear it, so then I don't over pluck the part. So for this wig, I knew I was doing a middle part, so I did that middle part and then went in and plucked the area around it. So make sure you also comb and check your work after each section. So now I'm going in and plucking the very front of the hairline since I've already worked behind the hairline. Some people call this look like the fork look. So you kind of want your hairline to look like a fork. And then the darker parts, you go in and thin them out. Because you don't want the parts that you skipped and the parts you didn't skip to be too defined. You just want it to look naturally thinned out, if that makes sense. So that's just me showing you my work. And I don't like to over pluck because the wig is going to eventually start losing hair if this is a wig that you're going to install 3, 4, maybe 5 times. So I like to just make sure it looks natural when I install the first time, but I don't over pluck because I know I'm going to switch up my style. I'm going to always be brushing the hair, combing the hair, and I don't want the hair or the wig to bald too soon. So again, I went through the same method, pluck, skip, and I'm just going to do that along the whole side of the wig, and I like to go in sections again. So I go in with my hot comb to check my work, and there you go. As you can see, it is clean. I go in with the wax stick. I go in with the Gots to Be or any holding spray and my hot comb and just make it look extra neat so I can really check my work. And for me, this is perfect. This is how I like my wigs to look, and I love it to look flat. And yeah, this is just what I do. I want to do a more detailed and a better view of this, but as you can see, that's without plucking and that's with plucking. So yeah.